Alright guys, here we are. We're at the workbench again, and as you can see, got it kind of cleaned off, and that usually means we have another unboxing video. So today we're gonna unbox this NOCO Boost Plus, right? Ultra safe jump starter. So this is just a lithium ion battery that jump starts your car, right? You see the jumper cables there. We got 12 volt, 1000 amps, right, for the power. And of course it has all these other features. You can charge your cell phones with it. It has flashlights in it. You got your jumper cables up there. All your good, usual fun stuff that these things come with. This one advertises, right? Start dead batteries, right? Up to 6 liter gasoline engines and 3 liter diesel engines. So here we go. So we're just gonna go ahead. The only thing that I've done to this off camera, you guys, was take the cellophane off of it. So right now we're just gonna pull it apart and check out the contents here. All right, and I got this on Amazon. So look in the description below there and I'll have a link to that. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, here we go. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright. So it is really nice packaging. This is embossed and you can see that it's glossy as the light reflects off of it, right? Of only the embossed parts, right? So I mean it's really nice packaging. Open this up, right? We've got their logo right there. Okay, and oh, look at what we have here. There we go. Our nice giant battery here that will jumpstart your car. I mean, compared to a power bank for your phone, this thing is huge, but it's actually quite small compared to, if you guys remember when these things first came out and they were like big carry handle things and stuff. This is really small, right? And you can put it in your trunk, in your glove box, wherever you want to put it to jumpstart your car, right? So you got our battery indicators there. We got, looks like it's, look at that, it's waterproof. See, there's your USB, your waterproof plugs, more. That looks like your micro for charging. Yeah, so it even says it right there. There we go, USB in for charging, USB out. So this charges the battery, and then this obviously is for your little devices if you want to put in a charging cable there or whatever. To charge your cell phone, your tablet, you know, whatever you wanted to charge, right? We've got all these heavy duty. Look at the gauge of this plastic. That is really good quality here. And this is all armored here. Pretty durable looking. We've got another one. Oh, there's our flashlights. Look at that. Okay. And then this is our 12 volt out. So this is going to be for the jumper cables, and this stuff is in there good. Right, so we've got this. Yeah, there we go. Right, so perfect, right? Power on, lights. Let's see, do we have power in it? Oh, let's see here, obviously, right? See, so just one light bit. There's your flashlights. Okay. Actually, I don't know how bright it's going to be because we've only got one power, but you know, hey, let's just turn some of the shop lights off and see what we get. Right? So if I turn this off, yeah, not too bad, right? And it's not going to get pitch black in here because I'm not going to turn all the shop lights off. But like I said, this is just an unboxing video. If you guys want to see a actual use video, I can jumpstart one of my cars. I do have one where the battery goes dead kind of sometimes. You want me to use the flashlight in the dark, or I can take it outside at night, whatever, right? Just leave those comments below. I know I've unboxed a few things in the past and everybody's like, hey, I want to see you use that, and I'm like, sure, no problem, I'll make another video. So if that's something you guys are interested in seeing, by all means leave that in the comments and I will shoot another video, not a problem, right? As I play with this for a little bit and see what it does. If you guys are interested in that, I have no problem making another one. So we'll turn that one off. right? I'm gonna have to read the instructions and see what this little red looks like a exclamation point. So I'm not quite sure what that's gonna do. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out. So if you guys want to see an in-use video, hey, let me know. Like I said, this is just unboxing. Let's see what else comes in the box, right? So we've got another, what is this? Is this a nameplate? Wow, that's really nice. Like I said, this is really nice packaging. I mean, if you want to look at this box and how thick it is and stuff, and the foam that's in here, this was just a divider. It has no instructions or anything on it. Just a nice divider. It's a really nice packaging, you guys. It's really well put together. Foam dividers, and look at that. So it looks like we have the jumper cables down here. Let's go ahead, see if we can pull these bad boys out of here. All right. Okay. Nice. See? Look at that. They've got their name on here. I mean, this is a good product. Look at this. You've got plus and minus signs on here. If you don't know that red is positive and black is negative, they wrote it on there for you. On both sides, look at that. With their logos, looks like you got a pretty good opening here. You know, hey, let's go ahead and look at some of this. Look, you even got, okay. So you got a cover for this, right? And it's attached that you can put on here to keep this protected. Let's see if we can get it on there. There it is. Nope, there it's not. That. Alright. There, I got it. To protect that, and then open that back up and plug it in. But for now, let's take some measurements, guys. I got a tape measure that I keep right over here in arm's reach on my workbench. So I'm just curious, right? We got this here. Let's see what kind of a reach we have with this, right? So from where it would plug in for the cable length, it looks like we have about 8.5 inches, right? So right about there, 8 1/4, 8.5, right? Obviously it's not stretched out all the way. It's not a precise measurement, you guys, but you got about 8 inches of stretch there from the end of the cable to where the alligator clips start, right? And then we've got an opening for our alligator clips of 1 inch. Look at that, exactly, right? So not too bad. The alligator clips are good size, 5 inches, right? Their gap's about 3 inches, right? To squeeze them. Let's go ahead and get this out of here, right? Good spring strength. Look at that, it even opens more than that 1 inch. That was just this bar. Let's see here. I don't know if you guys are interested in any of that, but hey, let's go ahead and just check this whole product out. What do we got here? Look at that. Over 2 inches of jaw travel. Not bad, right? Pretty good size. Look at your brass teeth in there. All the way down in there for a connector. Look at that. All the way down to the spring. Not bad, right? And that is 2 inches as well. So you got 2 inches by 2 inches of good jaw grip strength there in that spring. Really nice. Yeah, it feels really, really strong, really durable. You got some thick wire gauge here. Let's see here. It should say on it. It looks like about 14 gauge. But yeah, I'm just guessing there, but it does show it on the wire, but it doesn't show. I can just see the AWM style 3512, so 12 gauge. Even has their logo on the wire right there. It says NOCO. You guys aren't going to be able to see that with this camera, but I'll just I'll take some photos of that and we'll post them right about now. Right up here. Okay? But let's see what else we got in the box, because we still have stuff in here, I think. Look at that. So we've got, looks like the charging cable, right? So your USB for you to plug into any outlet that you have, whether it's in a extension cord or in a wall socket, or whether you still plug a cube in and you can plug this into your cube, and then that is your micro USB that we already found right here. So you got a nice charging cable there. It looks like it's pretty decent, pretty long, wound up a couple times, right? We just do some quick measurements on this. What is this? We got a 5-inch wind on that, and you've probably got about, how many here? 3? Yeah, 3 winds, 5 inches each, right? Not bad. That's over a foot, right? So there's that. And looks like here, what do we got here? Is this a bag? Look at that, you guys. Nice. Oh, nice bag. Let's see if we can, what else we got in here? Oh, we have an adapter. Look at that. So you can put that, if you have a 12-volt adapter. I know when I was a kid, it was called a cigarette lighter, and it's still shaped that way, but no one has cigarette lighters in cars anymore. And so this is just your 12-volt adapter that goes in your, now they just make adapter sockets in cars. They're not cigarette lighters anymore. But so you can jump start your car with this, and then once your car is running, you can charge this back up with your car. Is that not recycling or what? You're using the same power for everything, right? But there you go. So you can, after you jump your car, charge it back up. So when you go to where you're going and your car dies again, you can jump it again. That's pretty funny. But you do get one of those. All really nice. Okay? With your cable. What else do we got in here? It looks like a fat instruction book. Oh my goodness. To jumpstart a car, you guys? Really? Holy smokes. I mean, we all should know how to jumpstart a car, I would hope. But that's amazing. I'm willing to bet you that if I flip through this, it's just the same thing over and over again in every language, right? But I'm willing to bet you that's what that is. Let's just flip through here. Oh yeah, right there. I've already got, if you guys can even see that, that's Asian characters, right? That looks like Russian. So it is. We'll flip through this. Yeah. Whatever that is. Romanian. Yeah, it's all just, yeah, look at that. It's just all different languages. Yep, there you go. Turk. Yep, so here you go, you guys. That's all it is. It's just a bunch of different languages in this big old book. So, all you got, oh, Netherlands, look at that. So all you got to do, Portuguese, whoa, there's a bunch of them in here. Espanol, yep, Italian. So you just got to flip through here and find your language, and you're covered, because that's a big old book, right? So it looks like now, you guys, look at that. Empty box. All right, so we've got a fat instruction book that has every language in it. We've got this nice bag. Let's lay this bag out here, right? So that will easily fit this. Yeah, put these in here. You can put all your supplies in the bag. Maybe I'll do that here at the end, right? But right now, or should we do that now? Let's just do that now, you guys, right? Does this fit in here? All right. I'm sure it's all designed to fit in here. Everything else in this kit has looked like it's been pretty well designed. So let's just go ahead and put this stuff in here. I think this is operator air, you guys. I think I got to figure out how I'm going to pack everything in here so it fits good. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm going to call that one operator air. I'm sure the engineers designed this out. So we'll put this in there. There we go. Then we'll tuck this in there. And then we should be able to put this and this. And drawstring. Look at that. And you can just throw this whole thing in your glove box or your trunk. Awesome, you guys. Look at that. So, get it all back out of here. Okay, so it all fits in the bag. We tested that. So here we go. There's your bag, your instruction book, your power bank, your jumper cables, and your charging accessories. Alright guys, that's it. That's everything. Again, like I said, if you guys wanted to see this in use, leave a comment down below. I can make another video on that. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the NOCO Boost Plus charger for a 6-cylinder, well not 6-cylinder, 6-liter. 6-liter gas engine or a 3-liter diesel engine is what it says it can capable up to. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you got something out of it. Thanks for watching.